So why were we getting bubbles in the line?
In the fuel line to the burner, this ones are okay going to the engine, but look at this. See how it turns? And since it has to lift the fuel to a certain height, that produces enough of a vacuum that can suck enough air at some point, you know, to cause a failure. All you gotta do is tighten this. That's why you need to inspect these things every now and then, because the vinyl will kind of thin out a little bit. Now it's firm. That one should be good. That's another problem.
All right.
Now we should be good. Fire it up, and we should be ready to go. There's a single air going through. See those bubbles?
All right, process of elimination is what we use and what most people should use to try to help diagnose their issues. And on this, the first one was to see if tightening was going to fix the issue. Now we are just changing out the hose. We don't know if there was a cut in the hose or if there was a part where it was worn down and it was allowing air in, but if this doesn't work, we will take another measure. But this is basically what we do to use process of elimination to fixing a component that's not working properly on your pressure washer. In this case, the burner. All right, we replaced the filter since changing the line did not assist us in preventing the bubbles, so it was not the line. So this is going to be the next step, and we're going to see how this works. No bubbles. No bubbles.
No bubbles.
So the problem that we were having with the burner is we were at a job site and the heat was going up and down, but not at a point where it was 20-degree difference. It was shutting off for a period of 2 minutes to where the water would be back down to ambient temperature. So we decided to do a test on the machine by using process of elimination to seeing what was causing the issue. We first initially realized that there were bubbles that were going into the fuel line. Those bubbles were causing a disruption into the fuel consumption, which is going to cause the burner to shut off. So after we changed the line and checked for the tightening, we eventually found out that the fuel filter was the issue. And we did it like this because the least expensive avenue is to just check for the tightening. And if that fixes it, terrific, because that can cause that to happen. Our next avenue was changing out the hose. That was the second least expensive avenue. Whenever you do process of elimination, you want to use your least expensive avenues of repair first, and then you want to go, then you progressively get higher. Changing a fuel filter, those fuel filters are $20. So changing the fuel filter was our next avenue. We're like, okay, this could progressively become more expensive. Well, we changed the fuel filter, and then that solved the problem. And that's how process of elimination works for our diagnosis. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, give us a call, send us an email, visit us at www.rwashers.com. I appreciate you for watching the video.